Hi guys, this is Kapil from EHS Academy and welcome to another video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna announce the giveaway that we have planned before. Okay, so this is our gonna be first giveaway. So in this we are gonna give this particular book, that is IOSH Managing Safely version 5.0 textbook. So before starting this particular video, I want to clear one thing, that is this particular book, IOSH MS version 5.0 book, it's not a brand new book. So previously I have done my IOSH, so at that time I got this book. So as a EdTech YouTuber, I can put this as a prize. Okay, so in the upcoming time we will do some more giveaways, some more big giveaways. Okay, so now the main thing is that how you can participate in this particular giveaway. What are the terms and conditions for that? So if you want to participate in this giveaway, there are three things that you need to do. First of all, the first thing that you need to do is you need to visit EHS Academy YouTube channel. Okay, and if you found the content useful, until then if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe it. Okay, but you need to visit our channel EHS Academy. Okay, second thing that you need to do is you need to visit the Academy EHS. What is that? Academy EHS Instagram page. Okay, you need to visit there, and if you are not following us, you can follow there. Okay, you just need to visit there. If you found something interesting, if you want to connect with you can follow it. And third thing is that you need to visit our second channel, that is Dakshin Yatri. That is basically travel and lifestyle vlogging. It's my personal channel, and again, if you found it useful, you can subscribe it. Okay, three things you need to visit. Now, when you will visit individually into these three things, you will get some sort of certain points. Okay, so after the collection of this point, the winner will be decided. Okay, so it is a totally random process which is done by one of the website, so it is not in my control. And one more thing that is with regards to this giveaway is in this particular first giveaway, because this is our first giveaway. Okay, so we are going to select our winner from India. Okay, within India, because we have a lot of subscribers from outside the India, so it will not be possible for mine to send this book outside India because it's our first giveaway. Okay, so within India itself we will find our first subscriber, winner of that particular giveaway. So today itself this particular giveaway will be active. Okay, you can participate in this giveaway, and on 8th January 2021, within next year. Okay, 8th January 2021, around it will be around 6 to 7 days will be. Okay, I'm gonna announce that particular winner name through a video. I will post one video, so in that I'll be showing the whole process, how I've identified that and who is the winner name. So after that he can contact with me, and I can take his address and necessary details to send him this particular IOSH Managing Safely 5.0 workbook. Okay, so guys, this is about the giveaway information. So in the description itself you will find one link, so you can visit there and fulfill these entry requirements if you want to participate. It's not compulsory. If you are interested, you can participate over there. As well as, it's my personal request, kindly share this video so others can also get connected with us. Share this video with your friends, Facebook, Instagram, as well as in WhatsApp also, so it will be beneficial for us, because if we are growing, you will also grow with us. Okay, so this is about the end of this video, guys. If you found it useful, you can share with your friends, like this video, and don't forget to participate in the giveaway. On 8 January 2021, I will announce the giveaway winner name, okay, of this particular IOSH Managing Safely version 5.0 book. Okay, so I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, guys.